Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So let's pull an Earth Magic card from Dr. Stephen Farmer's deck for this beautiful Self-Love Sunday. See what it has to tell us about loving ourselves, what it is that we need to know as we take this journey to love ourselves even deeper. So what is it that you need to tell us? So we have Milky Way perspective. So this is what it looks like. So always keep in mind that as you move, go about your day or move along your path, or as you take this journey to your own self-love, to your own understanding of loving yourself, that your own perspective, and others' perspectives may be different. They're not going to coincide. Sometimes our perspective can be a little skewed. Our perception of things can be a little bit skewed. Maybe our perceptions and perspective of who we are, who we think we are, may not be accurate or true. We might think that we are just these mortal beings and in this vessel just having this physical experience, and there's nothing more to us than that. But really, we are these beautiful beings of love and light. We are divine in this physical realm. We are all gods and goddesses, and when we begin to recognize that and understand that, then we begin to step into our power and our own being, our own understanding of who we truly are. So when we are on this path of self-love, it's always good to be mindful of that our perspective, our perceptions can be different than what we think they are. That our understanding of who we truly are can be different than what we think it is on this very baseline, very 3D level, that we are so much more than what we really think we are. We are basically much more than what the physical eye can see and what we can hear. There's so much more going on than what we've come to know. So go beyond that. Dig deep, go within, listen to what's happening within yourself. Really begin to change up that understanding of who you are. Really go into the heart of it. Begin to love yourself a little bit deeper every single day. And if you need any help with that, of course, I have self-love courses online, on demand. If you would like to take a look at them, some meditation courses that will help you to dive deeper. So I hope this helped you on this Self-Love Sunday, and I will see you next time. Bye.